I'm Eloise. This is Vincere, Saigon. Let me show you around.
So what does Vincere mean?
Vincere means to win, to conquer in Latin, which is kind of perfect for us because our whole thing is help customers win.
Am I saying that right? Vincere?
You can say it how you like, Dylan. Vincere, Vince. My personal favourite is Vinny, which a lot of our customers call us, actually. Hey, Lynn. So that's Lynn. She was actually the first salesperson we hired here about 5 years ago when we first came to Saigon. So this is our training centre. So the idea is that we can invite customers to fly in and go through immersive Vinny training here at our Saigon hub. But unfortunately, because of COVID, we've not had that many visitors. But hey, 2022 is a new dawn. Right now, though, it's a place where our team can hang out, chill out. There's bean bags. It's just a nice place to kind of eat lunch.
Yeah, this really is an incredible space. What else do you have on this level?
So on this level here, we've got about 50 people, mostly in development, actually. We've got a board meeting room over here. We've also got our CEO's office. Shall we see if he's in?
Definitely.
Okay. Hey, Vinny.
Hiya.
Hey, Bernie. Nice to meet you.
Hey mate, how you going?
It's going well. I heard you have 3 new products coming out.
We sure do. We got 3 products coming out in the next 2 months actually.
Very nice.
Exciting.
Never a dull moment.
Absolutely. Okay. See you guys. Cheers.
So we've also got pods on this floor, which is where we do demos and support calls. So I can see the team are hard at work, but mainly this floor, and there's about 50 people on this floor, are focused on R&D. Actually, about 65-70% of our people globally are focused on product, and that's what lets us pump out releases and deliver loads of new features like we do.
I heard you have another office. Is that true?
Yeah, that's true. We do have another office. I've got about another 50 people upstairs. Do you want to have a look?
Definitely.
Okay, let's go. So this is my favourite spot. It is the door clock. So we all use the Vincere door clock app to clock in and out every morning, every night. And it's also a virtual reception. It's pretty cool. In we go. So this floor here is where we have most of our customer success and salespeople. We've just opened up about another 40 desks in this whole area. It's brand new. We need lots of people to support these 3 new products, which we're dropping in the next couple of months. This area here is where our support guys sit. So we use a follow the sun methodology for support. So there's always someone on. I think in about 5 or 6 different languages we support right now. As we move through here, we've got more meeting rooms. We've got London, we've got Malaga, we've got Singapore.
So I saw you have an office named Atlanta. I didn't know you have an office in the US.
We literally just launched an office in the US, so we just put a small team in Atlanta. But the US is a focus of ours for 2022, so you can expect to hear a lot more about Vinny in the US next year. This is my desk, by the way.
So why Vietnam?
Why Vietnam? Listen, we are very product focused as a business, and we knew that here we'd find the best dev talent, and with that would come an amazing product, and with that happy customers, and the rest would follow. And Saigon's a great place to live. You know, we don't run this as a kind of outsourced dev house. All the senior management team live here. It's really the beating heart of where all the innovation happens. We love it.
I'm curious, what's next for Vincere?
So the whole vision with Vinny is that we want to be more than just a product or a CRM. We want to be a complete recruitment operating system for the front, the middle, and the back office operations of a recruitment or a staffing firm. We just feel like we're just getting started, to be honest.
Kind of sounds like you're shooting for world domination.
World domination? I don't know if I'd go that far, but yeah, we've got big plans ahead. You should come back soon and give you another office tour and tell you about the new products.
Yeah, thank you for showing me around.
You are very welcome. Come back anytime.
Thanks, Eloise.
Chat soon.